Welcome! If you're looking to add a splash of fun and creativity to your conversations on Discord, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to access the emoji keyboard on Discord using your Android device. Emojis can express what words sometimes can't, so let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the smoothest experience. Once you're in the app, find and open the conversation where you want to share some emojis. Next, look for the smiley face icon located at the bottom of your screen. This icon is your gateway to an exciting world of emojis. Just tap on it to continue. Finally, select Emoji from the options that appear to open up the full emoji keyboard. From here, you can scroll through various categories of emojis, finding the perfect ones to express your feelings or reactions. And that's it. Now you're ready to enhance your chats with all the fun and expressive emojis Discord has to offer. Happy chatting!